Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So let's start on it now. So the rear blower motor fan fuse, where you can guys find it, we will demonstrate on this generation Dodge Ram right here. What you need to do, guys, open the hood. Once you guys open the hood, okay, here on the driver's side, you see, guys, okay, that cover here in front of the car battery, that's a fuse box. It has two tabs, one here, one there. Press them, it opens. On the inside, you'll find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge Ram, fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. Now, guys, the rear blower motor fan. Some of you will not have that option. If you don't have that option, it's practically the front blower motor fan that blows air to the rear. Some of them that are more loaded Dodge trucks will have the rear blower motor fan. And you wonder where it's located, guys. Okay, that fuse specifically, we don't have that option, but if you have it, you come in that row of fuses here. That last fuse, number 33, that's the one that you need to check. Ours is empty. You can see we don't have that option, but that's the rear blower motor fan fuse location. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.